What are you all doing? Okay, come on, Jared. What are you doing?
Nothing. Leave me alone.
You better tell me.
Whatever, Obama. No, I don't.
You messed me up. This sucks.
Can you give me some more to drink?
You just wrote it. You tripping, baby.
Here you are.
Balls on your face. Jared?
On your face.
You made me out loud.
Oh, that was awesome. That was good.
That is great. What's that pop at home? Do you want pop? Here.
We do have pop. Wow, but it's a nasty pop.
You haven't even opened your pop yet.
Okay, Jared, can you hold this?
Yeah, you like this?
Like, there's
Oh,
some
this is nice. Hey, B, you better get back here.
This is the Subway hoe, Jared.
Whatever. She's mad because you ain't getting
Birthday
nothing.
girl. Move your head, you big head. Birthday girl. Woo woo.
What are you doing, Jared? I'm gonna put that on TV and keep it.
That was awesome, and I got it. Great.
I was hoping somebody would do it for me, but
Jared, you just violated me.
Violated completely.
whatever.
That was big head.
That was my birthday
Puerto
dance.
Rican nostrils. That's all I saw for a second was your nose.
Awesome. Let's get out of here, people. I'm tired of Subway.
Somebody's tired of you.
Subway probably is tired of me.
Oh,
They
yeah, you
own
want
me
that.
like a slave.
No. I'm just chilling.
Is there a car out there?
I don't know. There's probably lots of cars out there. Can we more specific?
A blue car.
Sing my birthday song, Jared.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear B. Happy birthday to you on your face.
You are terrible.
We're gonna head through the back, B.
Okay.
You have a nice birthday.
You too. Bye.
Drop your stuff off on Monday.
And no spankings. Bye. No.
I'm doing it in my mind. I'm giving you birthday spankings in my mind.
You're gross. Good night.